In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to claim a red packet in the Binance app in just 5 minutes. Whether you're a seasoned crypto enthusiast or a newcomer looking to make the most of Binance's exciting features, this guide will help you effortlessly claim your rewards. Let's dive right in and make sure you can navigate this process with ease. To begin your journey, grab your mobile device and open up your Binance app. If you're not logged in, make sure to enter your credentials and access your account. Once you're on the homepage, you'll want to direct your attention to the bottom of the screen. Here, find the option labelled More and give it a tap. This will unveil a plethora of features that Binance has to offer. From here, scroll through the list until you reach the section named Gift and Campaign. Within that section, you'll spot the red packet option. Go ahead and tap on it. Now that you've reached the red packet feature, the next move is straightforward. Look for the option that says Receive and tap on it. This step is crucial as it transitions you into the next phase of claiming your red packet. Before proceeding, make sure you have your red packet code at hand. If you were given a code from a friend, a community group, or any promotional event, now is the time to put it to good use. With your red packet code ready, enter it carefully to avoid any mistakes that could occur from typing errors. Once entered, tap on that claim button. This action validates your code and initiates the process of claiming your reward. A little patience goes a long way here as the app processes your request. Following a successful claim, you'll be presented with the Open button. Tap here to unveil the reward that's waiting for you. This step is the most exciting part of the process, as you'll get to see exactly what kind of crypto goodies you have just unlocked. Finally, it's time to check the fruits of your effort. Navigate your way back home and open your funding wallet. This is where your newly claimed cryptocurrency reward has been credited. Make sure to review the balance carefully and see that everything is in order. Your crypto journey within Binance has taken an exciting new step, adding more to your digital wallet. By following these steps, you've successfully claimed a red packet on the Binance app, enhancing your overall Binance experience. Keep exploring and making the most out of what Binance offers, and who knows, maybe you'll find even more rewarding surprises along the way. Thanks for watching this guide, and happy investing.